The cool times continue here in Marquette. Right now you can see we topped out at 58 degrees yesterday. Our low above average for this time of the year at 48, but you can see slightly below for those afternoon highs. The days are getting shorter now, down to 11 hours and 46 minutes. As we look at the temperatures for today, though, a bit warmer and actually above average. 64 is what we topped out in Marquette, 67 in Munising, 71 in Iron Mountain, 63 in Ontonagon. So a lot more pleasant thanks to that sunshine finally breaking through the Upper Peninsula after 3 days of gloomy and cloudy conditions. But those winds are also beginning to relax with it as well, especially towards the west. 6 in Ironwood and Houghton. So mostly coming out of the north or even out of the northeast, but a little bit stronger towards the east with 15 in Marquette and 13 in Munising, 7 in Iron Mountain. But some of the main weather headlines going into your Thursday night and into your Friday will be that there will be some foggy conditions, patchy fog, especially towards the western portions. So cities like Ironwood have those low beams ready while driving tomorrow morning. Do exercise caution. The clouds will gradually march in on Friday thanks to that upper level low that was over us early this week. It's going to make a retrograde push back to the north over us into Michigan this weekend with a gloomy Saturday ahead. As we look at the weather's main story for this Friday will be the low pressure now in Indiana. Before it begins to make its northern push on Saturday, the rain will really be heavily concentrated in the lower peninsula, but still the eastern and southern portions of the Upper Peninsula still have the greatest chances of showers and also the best amounts of cloud cover. So really have that umbrella with you in cities like Sault Ste. Marie and Escanaba. Those are really going to be one of the few cities that will have the best chances of showers on your Friday and also going into your Saturday. As we look at the futurecast the next 60 hours, you'll see that conditions going into your Thursday night and Friday morning are still going to be overall pleasant. There will still be some sunshine before those clouds march in late in the day on Friday. The showers will also be more scattered towards Marquette going into your Saturdays, but do have that umbrella with you. The western portions are going to be the best overall going into the weekend. They will have the least amount of rain chances and the least amount of cloud cover. But overall, it is going to be expected to be more of a gloomy day on Saturday. Sunday will be the better of both days, especially as that low pressure gets ready to push towards the east going into your Monday. So really do have an alternative plan, hopefully inside, going into your Saturday and Sunday plans. Going into tonight, though, the fog will be the main story. The further west you go, it will establish late. So 50 degrees will be the low, with those winds coming out of the north at 5 miles per hour. As we go into the Friday's forecast, you'll notice that those temperatures are going to be somewhat warm as well, continuing. So those warm temperatures are going to continue before the weekend. It's going to be mostly cloudy skies. Showers are going to be more concentrated in the south and eastern portions of the Upper Peninsula. 67 in Ontonagon, 68 in Crystal Falls and Florence, 63 towards Marquette as they get that lakeshore breeze, keeping those temperatures a little bit more down than everybody else. But overall, everybody will be dominated in those 60s. As you go a little bit further towards the east, 68 in Munising and 66 in Escanaba. So really enjoy the Friday overall because conditions are going to be a lot more gloomier going into your Saturday. As we look at your day planner going into your Friday, you'll see clouds are going to gradually begin to push in through the morning and afternoon hours. But by the time we get into the evening, we may still have some partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies as those temperatures fall into those low 50s. But by the time we get into the extended outlook into the weekend, the umbrellas are going to be necessary Saturday and Sunday. And by the time we get into the early portion of next week, the sun will really be here more full time thanks to high pressure before another system comes in, but this time from the west by the end of the next work week with temperatures overall in the 60s.